Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a friend on Snapchat. So initially all you have to do is make sure that you're on the main page. The main page is the one that has the two people all the way on the bottom right. And now you can see that you have your friends' stories, your following stories, and your discovery page. Now, on the top right corner where you see the plus and the profile, we're going to press on that. That's the Add Friends button. And now you can go to the search bar, and if you have your friend's name, you can just type it in. I'm going to add my brother, and now you can see there is an add option. So we press on add, and now we've added our friend. It's going to send them a notification. They'll accept the add and friend you back, and now you guys will be able to snap each other, message each other, etc. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you add a friend. Have a great day.